Hello guys. Welcome back to Mech Geek's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to draw a cycloid. First of all, what is a cycloid? Cycloid is curve generated by a point on the circumference of the rolling circle along a straight line, without slipping. The main parts that requires to draw a cycloid are base line and rolling or generating circle. Now let's draw the cycloid. Now step 1. At first, draw a circle with some diameter and divide it into equal parts. I am taking 12 parts here. Now locate this point as P. And also give numbering to remaining points along with center C. Now step 2. From the center, draw a horizontal line, where the length of the line should be equal to the perimeter of the circle. Now, draw an inclined line with any angle. And then divide it into 12 equal parts. At first join the last point from inclined line to the horizontal line. Now with respect to this line, draw the remaining 11 parallel lines. And give naming to the mating points. Coming to the step 3, draw the horizontal lines, from the circle like this, up to the end of bottom horizontal line. And draw the vertical lines from horizontal line points to the center line of the circle. And finally give naming to that also. Now step 4. Take the compass, and set that size to the diameter of the circle. From the point C1, draw an arc at horizontal line, that drawn from the first point of the circle. Similarly from the point C2, draw an arc at second line. Similarly draw the remaining arcs up to the point C12. Step 5. Now locate the all points where the arc cuts the lines. Finally, draw a smooth curve from the points. Hence the cycloid will be generated from the circle. That's it guys. This is the explanation about how to draw cycloid. If you still have any ideas about new topic in our channel, please feel free to mention in the comments section. And please don't forget to share this video on your social handles. And subscribe.